Using 15 minutes candle chart, and the candlestick is Heikin-Ashi candlestick. Okay. Now, hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. Hi guys, so in this video I'll be teaching you a new trick and a strategy using Heikin-Ashi and Bollinger Bands. Okay, so Bollinger Band is a very simple trading indicator. Okay, so it will be very simple and we'll be using Heikin-Ashi for this. So I'll be explaining you the strategy, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the knowledge about this strategy and to know in depth about this strategy. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. Okay, so every day I upload the live trading what I do, and also I'll be sharing you a lot of important strategies and tricks like this. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Okay. And before that, if you're new to trading and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, and if you're having losses and want to recover your losses, you can join my course today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot in the description below of this video, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. so you can see all the details here, and also you can see the earning proof of my clients whoever has joined and are making consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these things, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you guys can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this. Okay, so you can watch the video till the end so that you guys will get all the information regarding this. Okay, so now let's focus on the trick. Okay, so for this you have to use 15 minutes candle time frame, and always pick a stock from Nifty 50 above 150 rupees so that you'll get a good movement, and also make sure you check the beta value of a stock. So the beta value of a stock should be always above 1 point. Okay, so that you'll get a good movement according to the market trend. Okay, so now let me teach you the strategy. So guys, this is not a normal Bollinger Band strategy, but this is a reversal Bollinger Band trading strategy. So make sure you watch the video properly, and if you're not yet understood any point, make sure you watch the video again. Okay, so this is a reversal trading of Bollinger Bands. Okay, it's not a normal trading, it's a reversal trading. Okay, so usually Bollinger Bands, they indicate buy and sell signals. Okay, so they tell to go buy when it is trading above this center moving average line, the silver line what you guys can see here. So above that you can buy the tell, but you know, many times people miss that entry point. So now we will be trading only the reversal. Okay, so we are using 15 minutes candle chart, and the candlestick is Heikin-Ashi candlestick. Okay, not the normal candlestick. If you put normal candlestick, you'll get a lot of confusions because of a noise. So we will use the Heikin-Ashi candlestick, and the formation what I'm showing you right now, which should be exactly like this. Okay, examples, it should be forming like this. Okay, so always the green candle should close above the upper band of the Bollinger Band. Okay, so the black line what you're seeing here is the upper band of a Bollinger. Okay, so you can add the Bollinger Band by going to the studies and typing in Bollinger Bands. Okay, and it's a default setting, no need to change any of the settings. Okay, and 15 minutes Heikin-Ashi. So this is the setup. So now what you have to do is you have to trade the reversal, that is, if the stock is going up, you will not enter to a buy trade. Okay, you will wait for the stock to give a reversal. So the formation should be like this. So what you're seeing right now, the green candles should close above the Bollinger Bands. Okay, above the upper Bollinger Band, and after the trend is complete, the red candle should be formed. And once the red candle is formed, if the first red candle low gets broken, then you can take an entry. For example, here the low is 297.35. so if it goes below 297.35, you can take an entry. So now let's say you have taken entry here and the stock went all the way down. Okay, so it has went all the way down till 293.25, more than 1% target is achieved. So once you enter, you can keep 1% target and 0.5% stop loss, which will be safe. Or if you want to still be more safer, you can keep 0.5% target and 0.5% stop loss. Okay. And now I'll show you another example. So this was a short selling example, and now let me show you some buy examples. Okay. So yeah, here is a buy example little. Okay. So you can see the red candles were formed. Okay, here only it has formed, but always remember, whenever you get a crossover signal, that is once the market trend is changing, you have to always wait for some of a bigger green candle. Okay, don't consider this doji kind of thing, at least consider a bigger green candle like this. Okay, so here the market was coming down, the stock was also coming down. You can see there's a closing red candle closing below this band's lower band, and now the green candle started coming. So this was a little doji, and the next candle was a bit stronger. So now you can mark the high of it, and once it gives a breakout, you can take an entry. So yes, it gave a breakout. Here the high was 292.75, and it went all the way up till 297. Okay, so the high was 292.75 and it went all the way up till 297. More than 2% target has been achieved here. Okay, so this is the trick, and do not consider the signals like this. Okay, so I'll just show you some examples of the signals which you should not consider. So this should not be considered, because you guys can see here it is closing below the Bollinger Band. Okay, below the upper band it is closing. It should always close above the upper band to make a proper entry. Okay, so this is not the correct trade. So you can just take a screenshot of the screen, so you will understand how it will be. Okay, so this is a correct formation. So this is a reversal pattern. So this is a correct formation. Okay, so because it is closing above the higher Bollinger Band and the candles are forming, red candles are formed, and below that you will give a short sell and the target is achieved. So this is a correct formation for the sell side. And now let me show you some of the correct example for the buy side, so that you will get an idea. Or we can just change the stocks. Maybe we can go to Adani Ports, and we'll wait for some of a good signal formations here. And make sure you always using 15 minutes candle chart. Okay, and always you should trade when you get the proper signals. Okay, don't trade it without getting a proper signals. Okay, so this is an right example for the buy trade. Okay, you can see the red candles here. Red candles are closing below the lower bands of Bollinger's, and the green candle has been formed here. And once the green candle high breaks, the high here is 709.85, and you will keep 10 paisa buffer to enter. And once you buy there, it went till 713.85. So here you can see almost 1% target is easily achieved. Okay, so guys, this is the strategy and this is a trick what I wanted to share in this video. So if you guys like this video, and if you guys liked this trick, do give a like for this video. And also, if you guys want to learn more strategies with 90 to 95% accurate strategies and want to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my courses today. So you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn more knowledge to make consistent profit. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.